Jotelo mag dini e boma ma Garissa okwedo mokalo weche ma ogol kod jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua mondo mi jatend okwach kich Nurdin Haji okaw ting' ma Jo-Kenya manyocha owito ngimagi e ng'anyo ma tich ariyo. Paro ma kama osir gi jotelo ma Nyanduat mar Ugwe ka giseo okang' mar loso tok jatend piny mar ni ok en ranyisi makare. Bende gochna Rigathi Gachagua ogwe tao ponono ni ok omor gi tend jatend piny Kenya William Ruto.
It is lack of respect for the Deputy President to do a press briefing after the President and to speak in a manner to really demean the office of the presidency.
If he's not happy with his president, let him resign from this administration and let him prepare himself for the contest in 2027. He can run in as a presidential candidate in 2027, and if he's going to be popular with the Kenyan people, we will see what he's going to do.
Yale ambaye asema hayafai kutoka kwa mtu kama yeye ambaye ni deputy president, hayo yanaweza kusababisha mabaya zaidi, na ningemshauri kama spika wa Garissa pamoja na wenzangu vile walivyosema na kubaliana nao kwamba hayo hayafai, yanaweza kutatiza usalama na utangamano ya nchi yetu.
We are going to unleash the biggest campaign ever on the Gachagua utterances. We will stand with our son, and not only our son, we will stand with anybody in this country that we